most important factor. If a business, an export business, will fail or succeed, it's going to be dependent on the promoter. If an export business is going to succeed or fail, it's going to be dependent on the promoter. You see John Maxwell that said, everything rise and fall on leadership. Everything rise and fall on leadership. Who are the owner of the business and how serious are they with export? Who are the owner of the business and how serious are they in export business? Their seriousness is going to largely impact on the success of the business. Their seriousness is likely going to impact largely on the success of the business. And this is very, very, very important. How serious are you as the owner of the export business? This might appear like if someone wants to do export, you should be serious now. You know, sometimes common sense is not always common. Common sense is not always common. It should be common sense that anybody coming into export should be serious. But like I said, common sense is not always common. A promoter or owner of a business can have sufficient impact in the export business success. Can have sufficient impact in the export business success. If the business is going to be successful, it is up to the owner of the business. It is up to the owner of the business. If the business is going to be successful, the promoter vision, commitment, and leadership can set the tone for the company approach to exporting and influence its ability to succeed. Why is the owner of the business very important? It creates a strategic vision. The promoter's vision of export business can shape international strategy and influence its approach to exporting. If promoter has a clear vision of the business international growth and is committed to achieving it, the business is more than likely to prioritize export readiness. But if the owners are unserious, if the owner are not ready for export, do you know what will happen? What will happen at the end of the day is that both of them, if the owner are not ready for export, what happens at the end of the day is that the owner is going to self-sabotage. If the promoter has a clear vision of the business international growth and is committed to achieving it, the business is likely going to prioritize export readiness. Leadership. The promoter leadership can play a crucial role in motivating and directing the business effort towards export readiness. If the promoter is actively involved in guiding and supporting the company international activity, the business is more likely to be well prepared for exporting. The business is more likely to be well prepared for exporting. Many businesses are not prepared for exporting, and it shows in the disposition of the management, even in the commitment of the management, the commitment of resources. I know a particular company who wanted to go abroad, export, and got a sales manager supposed to develop the market, and every idea the sales manager bring up, they are not ready to fund it. Of course, the lady got frustrated because the management is really not ready for export. I don't know how else to say that. And I'm spending more time on promotion. I'm spending more time on promotion deliberately because I've seen a lot of reasons why export business fail. Because the owners or those that should take decisions are dragging their feet and really not interested. I won't say they are not interested. They are not ready. Because they want to, but they are dragging their feet. What this kind of program does is to let you see what needs to be done and let you weigh the options. Am I ready to commit? Because sincerely, if the CEO is not committing resources, you won't be able to make progress. The management must be ready to commit resources. If that is not done, we are not ready for export. Why? Because of lack of commitment. And that's the next thing. The promoter commitment to exporting can help drive the business effort towards building the capability needed to succeed in the international market. If promoter is committed to investing time and resources and effort in building the export business readiness, the business is more likely to be successful. If the management is not ready to commit resources, the business is not likely to be successful. Networking, the promoter personal network. The promoter personal network. The promoter personal network is also very, very important. And the connection can provide valuable support and resources for business international activities. If the promoter has a strong network of contacts in the international market, the business may be able to leverage the relationship to gain access to a new market because it's assumed that the owner or the promoter will have some network more than the staff, and that might be a good way to make the business a success. Cultural sensitivity. The promoter cultural sensitivity and understanding can help business adapt its product, marketing, and business practices to suit customer and preferences. If promoter has experience working in the international market or has a diverse cultural background, they may be able to provide valuable insight and guidance for the business international activities. Overall, the promoter involvement can help a significant impact, create a significant impact on the business readiness, and their vision, commitment, and leadership can be crucial in driving the international market. Everything rise and fall on leadership. Everything rise and fall on leadership. If the leadership doing what it's supposed to do, ladies and gentlemen, the business will succeed. If you fail to do it, therefore business will have a challenge.